So here's something interesting I wanted to share with everybody today. I was thinking about very famous musical artists. You know, the big names, the Chicago, the Def Leppard, the bands that we know really, really well, and how they perform and how many of them are still in performance today after, 20, 30 years. So my observation is that they have a set of hits and they perform those hits over and over and over. And yeah, they release the records and they're on the radio and you hear them so many times over and over and over and over again. You go to a concert, and when you go to the concert, what do you expect? You expect them to play their hits, the things that you're familiar with, the things that they're known for. So I was thinking about all of that in regards to the marketing aspect of business. And I was thinking about how it's just really fascinating that that same principle sort of applies. And it makes a lot of sense to be familiar to your audience and say the same familiar message over and over and over again. You would think, as the performer of that message or the performer of those songs, that you're going to get tired of, that your audience is going to get tired of it and they want to hear something new. Well, eventually they will. However, they love to hear the hits. They love to hear those things that are constantly reminding them about why they loved you in the first place. So I'm going to work on myself and try to apply that towards my life, because Lord knows that I have a very short attention span. When it comes to some things, I like to be challenged. I'm very challenge motivated. So I like to move from one thing to the next thing to the next thing. And while over the course of the decades that I have experience in the software and product industry, in the SaaS business, I have learned a number of things that are consistent hits for me within a business. I can do executive coaching really well. I can help with culture. I can help teams be effective. I can help align expectations. I can develop a career ladder to help align those expectations, develop a hiring plan around that career ladder. There's certain greatest hit sort of things that I'm really good at, that I can excel at in helping businesses. And there's certain businesses that I have a passion for more than any others. And those are wellness businesses. That's what I'm very passionate about in the wellness industry and within that SaaS space and helping companies grow and scale. And what I have to realize about myself and my own marketing efforts over this next effort in my life, in my career, is that my audience out there, they want to hear a consistent message. They want to hear the greatest hits, if you will. So I need to remind myself that those greatest hits are the things that I need to continue to play and play well for my audience so that they'll stay engaged or get more engaged. So just a short snippet. Wanted to share that information with y'all. Have a great one.